I Will Teach You to Be Rich, Ramit Sethi. I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi is a practical, no-nonsense guide to personal finance, written in a tone that feels like a conversation with a friend who genuinely wants you to succeed. The book is aimed at young professionals who want to take control of their finances without needing a background in economics or finance. Sethi breaks down complex financial concepts into easy-to-follow steps, helping readers automate their financial systems, save for the future, and spend guilt-free on things they love. His message is simple. You don't have to be frugal to be rich. You just need a system that works for you. Start taking action. The best time to start was yesterday. One of the first lessons Sethi emphasizes is the importance of taking immediate action when it comes to managing your money. Many people delay investing, opening savings accounts, or creating a budget because they feel overwhelmed by the complexity of financial planning. Sethi's approach? Just start. Whether it's automating your savings or choosing the right bank account, small steps taken today can have a big impact on your financial future. Sethi also explains that perfect timing doesn't exist. Waiting for the right moment to start saving or investing is just another way of procrastinating. Instead, he encourages readers to begin now, even if it means starting small. Compound interest rewards early action, and the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. The conscious spending plan. Spend on what you love, cut what you don't. Unlike traditional personal finance books that focus on extreme budgeting and cutting out every luxury, Sethi believes in conscious spending. This concept is about identifying what you truly value and spending guilt-free on those things while cutting back on areas that don't matter to you. The idea is to live your rich life by prioritizing your spending on things that bring you joy. For example, if travel is a priority, you can allocate a larger portion of your budget to that, while cutting out expenses that don't align with your goals, such as expensive coffee or unused gym memberships. The key is to ensure that you are being intentional about where your money goes, rather than spending mindlessly. Automate your finances, the system that works for you. Sethi is a big advocate of automating your finances to avoid relying on willpower or manual effort to manage your money. He suggests setting up a system where your paycheck automatically gets distributed into different accounts, such as savings, investment, and bills, without you having to lift a finger. For example, you can set up automatic transfers so that every month a fixed percentage of your income goes directly into a high-interest savings account or investment account, while another portion is allocated to bills. By doing this, you make saving and investing happen effortlessly, ensuring you're consistently working towards your financial goals without stressing about it. Kill credit card debt, but use credit cards wisely. Credit card debt can be a major obstacle to financial freedom. Sethi advises readers to prioritize paying off high-interest debt as quickly as possible. He provides a clear strategy for tackling debt, starting with paying down the highest interest cards first, then moving to the next. However, Sethi doesn't view credit cards as entirely evil. In fact, he advocates for using credit cards responsibly to build credit and earn rewards. His advice is to always pay off the full balance each month to avoid interest charges while taking advantage of benefits such as cash back, travel points, and other perks. Essentially, credit cards can be powerful financial tools if used correctly. Save and invest early. The power of compound interest. Sethi emphasizes the importance of saving and investing as early as possible to take advantage of compound interest, which he calls one of the most powerful forces in personal finance. Compound interest allows your money to grow over time by earning interest not just on the initial principal, but also on the interest that has already been earned. By starting early, even with small amounts, you can significantly grow your wealth over the long term. For example, if you start investing $100 a month in your 20s, by the time you reach retirement age, that money will have grown exponentially thanks to compound interest. The importance of low-cost, long-term investments. Sethi is a strong proponent of low-cost, passive investing strategies. He discourages trying to beat the market or constantly trading stocks, which can be risky and costly. Instead, he recommends low-cost index funds or target date funds, which automatically adjust based on your age and retirement goals. Index funds track the market as a whole, which means they carry lower fees and are less volatile than individual stocks. By investing in these funds, you minimize the risk and costs associated with actively managed funds or frequent trading, allowing your money to grow steadily over time. Maximize retirement accounts, 401k and Roth IRA. Sethi stresses the importance of taking full advantage of retirement accounts, such as the 401k and Roth IRA, which offer tax advantages. He advises readers to contribute at least enough to their 401k to get the employer match, which is essentially free money. The contributions to a 401k are also tax deferred, meaning you won't pay taxes on the money until you withdraw it during retirement, allowing your investments to grow tax-free in the meantime. Additionally, Sethi highly recommends opening a Roth IRA, which allows for tax-free withdrawals in retirement. By contributing to both accounts, you can significantly boost your retirement savings while taking advantage of tax breaks. The 85% solution: progress over perfection. Sethi's 85% solution is about embracing progress over perfection. He explains that many people get stuck in analysis paralysis, trying to find the perfect financial product or strategy before they take any action. His advice: aim for 85%, meaning it's okay if your financial plan isn't perfect, as long as you're making progress. This mindset helps people get started without getting bogged down by the fear of making mistakes. As long as you're making positive steps, such as opening an investment account or automating your savings, you're on the right track. Perfection isn't necessary, action is. Enjoy your rich life without guilt. Sethi's philosophy is centered around living your rich life, which means spending money on things that make you happy while still being financially responsible. He encourages readers to define what their rich life looks like, whether it's traveling, eating out at nice restaurants, or upgrading to a better home, and then creating a financial system that allows them to enjoy those things guilt-free. This balance between a financial responsibility and enjoyment is what sets Sethi's approach apart from many other personal finance experts. He doesn't believe in extreme frugality or denying yourself the things you love. Instead, he promotes conscious spending and prioritizing what matters most to you. Negotiate your hidden income. Sethi believes that one of the easiest ways to increase your income is to negotiate your salary or ask for raises. He provides a step-by-step guide on how to prepare for salary negotiations, including researching industry standards, practicing your pitch, and being willing to walk away if necessary. Negotiation isn't limited to salary, though. Sethi encourages readers to negotiate with service providers, such as internet companies or insurance providers, on a regular basis. By asking for better rates or promotions, you can save hundreds of dollars per year without changing your lifestyle at all. Building a rich life. I Will Teach You to Be Rich is a refreshing take on personal finance that combines practical advice with a flexible, guilt-free approach to spending and saving. Ramit Sethi's methods are grounded in automation, smart investing, and focusing on big financial wins that can have a lasting impact. His philosophy emphasizes that financial success isn't about living like a monk. It's about creating a system that works for you so you can enjoy life while building wealth.